Oh, you just left. She just left.
I'm back.
I pressed record and she just left. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be filming a fan requested video called the Master Lock Challenge.
So, the Master Lock Challenge, we will have 3 rounds each, and first to get to 3 points wins. Kind of similar to the wrestling challenge.
Yeah, I have no idea what this is. So
we're gonna have 30 seconds each to get out of the Master Lock, and if you don't know what the Master Lock is, I'll tell you now. So, hands are like this.
The thing is, I don't know what this is.
It's where you go under like this. I can't reach. And then you have to get out of this.
Bruh.
Really?
Yeah.
Is this it?
Look at this dude.
Yeah.
Actually?
Yes. To begin with, we will have 30 seconds to get out of this. I think it'll be easy for him, maybe not so much for me. Comment below who you think is gonna win, and let's get into it. And start.
Oh, you pinched me. Okay, sorry, ready? Go. What is this? Wait.
Huh?
Oh, what? Is that how you meant to get out?
You get out however you want to. The point is, you're supposed to not let me out.
Oh my.
He needs some milk.
Well,
No,
I
wait,
win
no,
a first point.
no, wait,
Your
no,
turn.
restart. I didn't know.
No?
No, restart. I thought you were meant to like break free of my hands. You couldn't just slither your way down.
It's your turn. Okay, ready? 3, 2. I can't really reach. Put your head forward.
So what am I
Break
meant to
free.
do? Break free?
Break free.
Break free. You're just gonna get tired if I
Break
just...
free.
You're
You're running out of time.
Guys, do
the
I mean-
time is on, you know.
Yeah, it's alright. I still have 10 seconds left. Watch, at 10 I will try. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh no, I'm sorry. What happened?
You're supposed to kill me.
Oh no, I'm sorry. Didn't mean to.
I'm changing it to 20 seconds. You know, you don't have to be on the ground. I'm just on the ground because I can't
What am I
reach
doing?
you.
Hey, my finger! My finger! Ow! Ow! What the heck?
5 seconds to spare.
My finger! Stop pulling on my finger!
Another point to Somer.
No, point something.
Comment if your team Somer.
Is it my turn?
Yep.
Okay, go.
You have to go on the ground.
Now I want to stand.
I can't reach you.
Good, I won. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I guess I have 15 seconds left, right?
Go. Yeah.
Oh, I got it! I got it! I got it! I got it with just 5 seconds to spare.
Okay.
With
now,
best out of how? Oh, it was 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Right, let's go. Ready?
Okay. Go.
Oh my god! Oh my god! You lost! You lost! You lost! Yo! I did not let go. Oh my god!
Go on the ground.
My legs hurt.
I can't reach them.
Short problem.
You have to press start.
I ready? 3, 2, 1.
I can't even reach. You're not even in the camera.
Oh, there you go. Time's up.
You didn't even get out there.
You didn't even get to lock it. We can give it another try.
Wait, let me hold you first.
What is this? This violation going on.
I can't reach, my arms aren't that long. Okay, ready? Press start.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. What are you doing? It was that easy.
Why are we still here?
I won now, she's just complaining. Look. Where?
Not fair.
Where? You lost.
I should be able to hold a scarf instead of trying to reach.
No.
I can't even hold him.
Well, that's
not
how.
fair.
That's the whole point of the game. We just won. I won. Hey, give me the camera.
Okay, guys, if you want to see a part 2, then comment below. Bye.
Change like the weather, really they jealous. I did not envy them, trying to get millions, not trying to be your friend. So many layers that I got a pelican. Double heat eating, but ain't not gonna lie, man, you ain't even realer than me. If I just end up just doing this shit on myself, I might take all your team.